Let's talk about passive income, those streams of money that flows in and also require little effort to run once they are well set up. Now, why should you care about passive income? Well, passive income provides financial freedom, giving you the flexibility to live life on your own terms. Imagine making money while you sleep, travel, or even watching your favorite TV show. If you are looking to escape the 9 to 5 grind, save for a dream vacation, or build long-term wealth, you should consider earning a passive income. I've got 5 incredible ideas to share with you in this video. This is not an exhaustive list, as there are numerous passive income ideas out there. I made sure I took my time to select the few you can even start immediately after watching this video. Each one of them I will mention has its unique advantages and potential for success, what it will take you to get started, and the challenges you might encounter while at it. So let's get right into it. In no particular order, the first passive income idea on our list is creating an online course. Over the past few years, the demand for online learning has rapidly increased. People from all walks of life are turning to the internet to acquire new skills, boost existing ones, or simply indulge in their interest. The fact that online education is flexible and easily accessible is what makes it a booming industry. In 2022, Udemy, one of the most popular online education platforms, generated over $620 million in revenue. That's to show you how much people are interested in online education, and the industry is projected to reach even greater heights in the coming years. Now, how can creating an online course translate into a steady stream of passive income for you? Well, once you've invested your time and effort to develop a high quality course, it becomes a digital asset that can be sold over and over again. As students enroll, you earn more money, and the cycle continues without constant hands-on involvement from you. To get started in creating an online course, you must first choose a profitable course niche, as not all niches are lucrative. You want to tap into a market that not only interests you but also has a demand for learning. Research trendy topics and identify gaps in existing courses, and consider your own expertise in that topic too. The sweet spot lies at the intersection of your passion and market need. Once you've chosen the topic, use tools like Google Trends, keyword research, and surveys to help you validate and refine your course idea. Creating an online course has so many advantages. Once created, your course can be sold to an unlimited number of students without significantly increasing your workload. You have the freedom to create and sell courses on topics you are passionate about. The internet allows you to reach a global audience, expanding your potential customer base. You could also earn money continuously as new students enroll into your course, and that's where the whole passive income business model comes in. So as you consider creating an online course as a passive source of income, think about all that is needed and determine if it aligns with your goals and capabilities. Creating an online course can be a fulfilling and lucrative venture if you are willing to put in the initial effort for long-term gains. The next on our list is affiliate marketing. In essence, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's product or services. As an affiliate marketer, you partner with a company or individual, promote what they sell, and earn a commission for each sale or action generated through your affiliate link. Everyone, including you watching this video right now, does affiliate marketing in one way or the other. If you've ever recommended a product or service to a friend or a family member, you've done affiliate marketing. The only difference is that you did not earn a commission for it. There are some mobile applications on your smartphone that gives you a commission when you invite someone to download and use their app through a referral link. Now that's affiliate marketing. On a larger scale, successful affiliate marketers use various strategies. One of such strategies is content creation, either through blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media, where you provide valuable information to an audience you took the time to build, and then seamlessly integrate your affiliate links so your audience can buy through it. Another effective strategy is review and comparison content. This is where you have a website or a blog where you create in-depth reviews or comparisons of products within your niche and highlight the pros and the cons of that product. This helps potential buyers to make informed decisions, and when they use your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Additionally, email marketing can be a powerful tool. Building an email list allows you to nurture relationships with your audience, recommend relevant products, and drive affiliate sales over time. Affiliate marketing has several advantages too. It has a low barrier to entry and requires little upfront investment, making it accessible and affordable to beginners. Once it's properly set up, affiliate links can continue to generate income with little or no ongoing effort. You can promote a variety of products within your niche. This could help you to diversify your income sources. No product creation or customer support. As an affiliate, you don't have to deal with the product development or customer service, as the real product owner takes care of that, allowing you to focus on just marketing. The third idea on our list is to create a mobile app. With billions of smartphone users worldwide, there is a constant demand for innovative and useful apps that have become an integral part of our daily lives, from productivity tools to entertainment and beyond. The mobile app market is booming, and this presents a golden opportunity for app developers to tap into a vast audience and generate income passively. Now, you don't need to be a developer before you can create an app. You can come up with the idea and hire someone to create it for you. When it comes to app ideas, simplicity and ease of use often win. Start by thinking about specific problems or needs that you can solve with a mobile application. For instance, productivity apps, budget trackers, or fitness assistants are popular choices. Gaming apps with engaging and addictive gameplay can also be successful. Another approach is to create a niche-specific app catering to a particular audience. This could be anything from a specialized photo editing app for a certain industry to a language learning app tailored to a specific demographic. What are the pros of creating a mobile app? Number one, a successful app can reach a massive global audience, providing significant income potential. Once developed and launched, apps can generate income continuously without constant oversight. You have the freedom to create something innovative and new, addressing specific user needs. You also get to choose from various monetization models, including ads, in-app purchases, and subscriptions. Number 4 idea on my list is to start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel opens the door to a vast audience hungry for content. YouTube is the second search engine globally, and billions of users turn to the platform for entertainment, education, and information. Now more than ever, there's potential for creators to reach a massive audience and generate passive income. When it comes to content creation, consistency is key. By regularly uploading high-quality videos, you can attract and retain viewers, leading to passive income streams. For the pros of content creation on YouTube, number 1, YouTube allows you to reach a global audience, so you are not limited by geographical boundaries. In addition to ad revenue, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing, you can also explore merchandise sales, where you sell customized t-shirts, caps, mugs, and several other types of merchandise to gain multiple income streams. You get to express your creativity and share your unique perspective with the world. You get to have a voice and attract like-minded individuals who share the same values as you. Starting a YouTube channel doesn't require significant upfront investment. All you need is a camera and an internet connection. Mind you, I didn't say digital camera or a professional camera. If you have a phone, you can start with that. And the last idea on our list is to sell a digital product. Digital products are things you can't touch, like ebooks or printables. They are easy to share and offer a great way for business owners to make money without dealing with physical items or shipping challenges. There are many types of digital products you can create and sell. Here are a few examples. Number 1, ebooks. Write books, either informative or made up stories, and sell them online on places like Amazon Kindle. Number 2 is printables. Make visually cool and useful printables like planners or arts that people can buy from your website. Thirdly is online tools. Create digital tools that help solve problems or make things easier, like budget spreadsheets or graphic design templates. If you have website designing skills, you could also create and sell website templates. Selling digital products has some really cool advantages. You can make and sell lots of digital products without spending tons of money. People from around the world can buy your stuff without worrying about shipping or storing things. Making and selling digital products doesn't need as much money as physical stuff. Another cool advantage is easy delivery. You can use online tools to send your digital stuff to customers automatically, making everything super smooth. In conclusion, I suggest you look more into these ideas and pick the ones you really like and you are good at. The secret to doing well is finding a good mix between what you love and what brings in money. Take some time to think about what fits best with your goals and what you have available. I am excited to know what you think. Share your experiences or any extra ideas in the comment below. Your thoughts are valuable too. So that's all for now. Like this video if you loved it and subscribe to the channel for more content. See you in the next video. Bye for now.